This is why rhinos are killed. In the last 10 years, more than 8,000 rhinos have been poached for their horn.
I've never had a rhino horn in my hands, but it really feels like a toenail or a horse hoof, and to see that this beautiful creature just dies because of this, it's pretty horrific.
Yeah, you're right. You know, it's made from keratin, same as your hair or nails. And, you know, the poachers don't care about the animal. They just want to get away with the horn. They shoot the animals and hack off their horns with, you know, axes or machetes, and in some cases they're not dead already, you know, and, you know, they don't care. And it's really brutal. And, you know, the first time I saw one of my rhinos that was poached, you know, it ripped my heart out. You know, to stand next to that magnificent beast and, you know, the smell of death and, you know, decay and the flies and everything around it, you know, it really, that changed everything for me. To have rhino horn in your possession, that whole process is very regulated. And so each rhino horn is, DNA samples is taken from it, it's marked, it's got a microchip inserted, and eventually you get a permit, a possession permit to keep it. So it's all highly regulated in South Africa. And the idea is to not get horn, you know, horn leaking onto the illegal market. Mm-hmm. Yes.
So when a horn is poached and goes onto the black market, why are people wanting to buy it? Like, what is so unique other than being a rhino horn that is making people want to buy? I know they consume it in ways, but what is it giving it so much value? Why?
So it's mainly used in traditional Chinese medicine. And you know, the Chinese medicine is based on mixtures of animal parts and herbs, you know, unlike our approach to medicine in the West, where we drink tablets with chemicals in it, you know. Right. And you know, I can't really judge because it's a 1,000-year-old tradition. So if it works or not, you know, I can't judge, but the fact is there's huge demand for it. And because there's no legal supply of horn, the only way to get it and to get hold of it is through the black market, and that's supplied through poaching. You know. I'm not going to see them go extinct while I'm alive.